So you're too tired to do something. Maybe you woke up feeling low energy and too drained to even get on with your day. Or maybe you just don't want to be a lazy bum and waste the whole day away just because you feel low in the moment. I have just the solutions for that. So stick around because I have got a lot to say. The number one point is you need to change the temperature of the room around you. Turn on an AC or just crank it up if you feel too sleepy. Or do the opposite if you are feeling too cold, just go and sit in front of a heater. Or turn on your ceiling fan or have the window open and the wind in your face. It wakes you up instantly. Or even splash water onto your face. Also, if you have trouble just getting enough sleep or you feel groggy right after waking up, the problem might be that you scroll before or right after waking up. You need to keep your phone away in the other room while you sleep, and you need to get at least 8 hours in, or some people even need like 9 to 10 hours. And make sure you get that sleep in, because if you watch your phone before bed, you're just not giving your brain enough time to slow down and settle down. The next point is, if you hit that afternoon sleepiness, you need to just up your hydration. You need to drink a hose of water and also add some electrolytes into it. That is one of my cool tips. I just always add electrolytes to my water when I feel sleepy in the afternoons, and every sip just makes my mind more and more clearer. Also, it might be common knowledge, but do not eat too many carbs in the afternoon, because that is what makes you sleepy. Have more protein and fiber so that you are active, as they take longer time to digest. And the last point is, listen to frequencies from 200 Hz to 700 Hz. I tried this last week, and let me tell you, I was amazed by the results. Do you know that we are not allowed to interact with dolphins because they emit certain frequencies that can help treat your brain? I did not know that until last week, and so I want to thank Julie Thies for opening my eyes to this new world of frequencies, because I just listened to 540 Hz and 310 Hz, and I just looked them up on Google and listened to it for like 20 seconds, and it instantly just puts my brain in a happier spot. I'll also put up a table here, because when you're operating on low ends of the frequency, you're just not being yourself. Try to get yourself back onto the good energy levels, and then you'll see a huge difference. Another point is that a lot of people talk about just jumping and dancing and tapping on yourself. I've never tried that, because when I'm too tired, these are just things that add on to the list, not help take things off of it. But if you've tried it, let me know if it works. Also, one trick that I use to look awake really quickly for my videos is I press on this dent that's like in the middle of your eyebrows, and just press it down like this, and it instantly opens up your eyes.
Okay, bye. I'll see you again later.